Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix your iPhone blurry camera. So it is very easy, as you need to first confirm that your back camera is clean enough. If it is clean, get a microfiber towel like this and rub gently to your back camera like this to make sure that your camera is protected, okay? Or else you can buy the cover like this which has built-in protecting shields, as you have seen, but make sure that it is clean from the back side. Okay, after checking it out down, what you need to do is just open up your camera, and just like this, if it is showing blurry in any case, what you need to do here, just hold on the button here and you can adjust the focus accordingly from where it can actually put the focus correctly, and the blurry image will go away. Okay, so that's how you can do it. Another thing that the blurry image you want to be fixed is you just need to tap on the screen where you want to focus. For example, if you want to focus on this point, you just need to tap here just like this and it will automatically focus on this. So make sure that you have correct focus, your camera is clean. So that's how you can actually fix your iPhone camera blurry camera. So that's how you can fix it. If you have any other question, just let me know. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you very much.